Welcome back to part 2 of the Grande Getaway.
Good morning. It's definitely shower day, as you can tell. I'm not heating it over the fireplace, rather. When I went camping, I had a very cold shower, so this time I have my stove, because I brought the stove, and just heating up some water to put in this 5-gallon pail. And of course I've got my little shower. Yeah. And then I'm not sure what we're doing after that. Maybe a waterfall, maybe fishing. Definitely fishing. Definitely fishing. And yeah, Dwayne's over there chopping wood. Dwayne, breakfast is almost done. Where are you? Hey. Where is he? Dwayne. Oh my God.
This is the view from my morning coffee spot. Still pretty windy, but we're right in the deep trees, so the thicket. Boom. Sun's up. Hence, no cell service.
Fishing was a bust. It's just way too windy. So instead, we ran into a local who told us about this little trail, and it's interesting. That's for sure. It's tight. I don't think we're on the trail anymore either. I think you found a Jeep eater. Nah. Oh, it's not that bad.
I wonder if I can turn around at the bottom there and just go back.
Whoa. Nothing. Keep going. Ignore me. Oh, man loves to play in washouts way too much. What's the verdict?
Look at it.
Yeah.
Mostly rain. Might be a little bit uncomfortable for you, but I'll try to smoothen it out as much as I can. No problem.
Taking back souvenirs.
I didn't want that one. It was too small.
Back at camp, Dwayne and I needed a little more firewood for Thursday evening. He was teaching me how to pick a proper tree.
Okay, so can you show me the difference again? One more time.
So, like a good way, and it's just by ear, right? You can hear if it's punky or if it's soft, rotten from the inside, or if it's just raw. That one's punky.
That's a punky sound?
That's solid, like you're hitting on a dry 2x4.
That's the sound you want to hear?
Yeah.
And what about this third one you were hitting?
This one's dry too.
Oh, I'd say. Cool. All right, then we learned something. So for the record, when you're selecting what looks to be like dry dead standing for firewood, make sure it sounds like you are hitting a 2x4. If it's punky, means it's rotten, generally means it's wet, won't burn as well. So right by our camp is this lovely bridge, and we just ran into two very nice ladies who are up here working. They saw our drone and they gave us a little wave and they're like, "Is that your drone?" Whew, it's cold today, like 14 degrees. Brr.
This was a much needed trip for the two of us. The Grand Cache area is heavily mined, but it still looks untouched. With no cell signal and no interruptions, we found ourselves in constant awe of its beauty.
Betty Lou, did you steal a spot?
Betty Lou!
Did you steal a spot? You sure did. Hi! Oh God! Oh God! That's awesome.
Yes, I haven't known you ever wash your face. Yep, every time my dog sits on me.
Uh-huh.
Is this a better fire?
This is a better fire.
It's not a great fire. It's better than the fire than we had yesterday.
This has been Camping Life Hacks with Dwayne. Alright, this fire might look out, but it's not. It's not at all. Dwayne put a stick in it this morning and it just poof, right up. So I've got a pail of water, Probably gonna put about 15 gallons on it just to put it out for sure.
Well, it's steaming now.
Well, yeah, I guess. I think I make soup.
Nice. Sorry for the next guys who want to come this weekend.
Some prairie chicken here that's trying to make friends with Dwayne. And by make friends, I mean hide from him. These areas are so, in my opinion, underused. Canadians have a beautiful backyard. And so many people don't even know it. People think Grand Cache and they think mining and whatnot. But really, it's just mountains all around, bridges, water, it's wonderful. So, I guess my lesson to you would be, if you want to take it, that is, get out there and explore Canada's backyard. Hope you guys liked that video. If you do, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna see you out on the trail next time. Okay, bye. Dwayne got ducked, and now it just lives there.